Long-tailed macaques feed mostly on fruit and leaves in the forest, but these have learnt to supplement their vegetarian diet with seafood. As the tide begins to fall, the macaques make their way down to the shore. A beachside restaurant is about to open. There's plenty of food here if you know how to get at it. The macaques have learnt to use heavy rocks as tools to break open the sea snails. It takes a great deal of skill to master this technique, but not everyone has got the hang of it. You have to be ingenious to make a living at the coast. As the tide falls still further, it reveals the next course. The lowest tide reveals a course that is particularly delicious, but also very hard to collect. Crabs have good eyesight and can move fast, so catching them requires a special trick. Before pouncing, the macaques wait for a wave to obscure their attack. Macaques learn their skills by watching their parents. But some techniques do take time to perfect.